I want to be real with you guys for a moment because for those of you that know me personally, you probably know that I'm an introvert. I am not one to really go out and about and hang out with a lot of people. I like being at home. But what I did know is that I wanted something more. I wanted something more than just like going to a 9 to 5 and working my life away and living paycheck to paycheck. So my introvert self said, okay, I like being at home. Let me see if I can figure out how to make money online by learning a new skill. And I did that. So what this business has taught me, it's actually taught me to come out of my shell a little bit. So if you guys see my videos, you probably see a little bit of a different person than you normally see in public. Because when I decided to do this business, I was like, you know what? I've got to learn the skill. I got to put myself out there. I've got to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. And if you know me, I've never been great at the gift of gab. So it was a little bit of a struggle at first. But I kept showing up every day. I kept showing up every day and I learned the skill and I got more comfortable doing these videos. And it's a big part of the business. Again, it's getting comfortable with being uncomfortable. So now that I've passed all that and I truly love this business model as a digital marketer, and I've learned the skill and I absolutely love it. It's the most amazing thing I've ever done. It's given me life. It's given me energy. It makes me feel like alive. So if you're just in a rut and you are looking for a way to generate extra money, or maybe you're looking for more time freedom, and you're wanting to ditch your job and not spend the next 20, 30 years working for somebody else, you can learn this exact skill. And it doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter what you look like. It doesn't matter if you're an introvert. That's all that matters is you learn to be comfortable with being uncomfortable, and you show up every day and you learn how to be a digital marketer. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. Let's get you rolling. Save this video. Follow me to learn more.